Hello everyone, my name is UC Berry. Before I proceed, please like and comment my recent videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn up the post notifications. So what are we literally talking about? We're gonna start with the decentralized influence of proof of stake mechanism and what persistence is keen on building within the DeFi ecosystem. Okay, so regarding the proof of stake mechanism, it has been evident all along that the introduction of a decentralized system for financial system will be revolutionary. Okay, so this is the major reason why the blockchain system was created in the first place, to create a mechanism where things will be done on a plain and on a transparent ground, with no leaders and no heads above. Okay, now the proof of stake became much better. It became much better in terms of transaction speed, because nodes involved in it stake their token together, their reputation and risk losing them, than being malicious to the system. Okay, through this transaction, this will make the transaction verification very smooth and faster, since no nodes will have cause to be unfair when their assets are involved, despite the innovation of POS, which is proof of stake. Okay, the main reason why I'm elucidating more about this proof of stake is because persistence was designed to provide a solution to the underlying issues of POS, and how to solve it, and usher also into a new era for DeFi applications for other systems. Okay, so what is persistence building? Building on financial products, focusing their attention on crypto native use cases. So what is persistence all about? Persistence is a protocol that is taking advantage of blockchain technology to bring free-flowing asset exchange. The project believes that if the right structure can be provided, assets will flow through the basis of development for blockchain systems, and decentralized finance too. And the persistence structure is designed to be interoperable and provide the ground through which DeFi products can be applied for real life financial systems. So with their interoperable structure, persistence is looking for creating some of their best digital tech products that will focus mainly on bringing innovation to the DeFi and NFT space like never before. Let us take a look at them and know what they are about to bring to the platform. Talking about the digital tech products, the building the Comdex, Asset Mantles, PLN, and Audit One. So persistence is really a great project, and it's really worth investing for a long term. It's gonna pull out on 2022, and this is going to be very massive. Okay, so right now what is going on board is about the pSTAKE. The pSTAKE, it's what is really going on. Okay, and the team is really striving day and night, okay, to make these available and essential to every crypto enthusiast out there. Okay, the team is building strongly and they will come up with something better daily for the benefit of everyone. Okay, so here is going to be the end of the video. Please like my video, comment and subscribe for more info. Thank you for watching.